Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to perform printhead alignment on an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now you shouldn't have to do printhead alignment very often. Printhead alignment isn't the cause of most print quality issues, so I would recommend ensuring whatever issue you're having can't be resolved with the cleaning cycles and test pages covered in our previous videos before you jump to this. But if you've gone through those processes and you still have like hazy looking prints or a print with colour around the outside, it may genuinely be that you need to run through printhead alignment. So we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, press the home button to be taken here. And then we're going to drag ourselves along until we see maintenance. Press to go into that. Then printhead alignment is the fourth option down, so we press to go into that. And we have two different kinds of alignment here. The first is if certain bits are out of line, as shown there. And the second option, horizontal alignment, is for regular lines running down your prints, with it otherwise being in line. So, I'm going to start with the top option for ruled line alignment, but I'll make sure there are time codes down in the description if you want to jump straight to the horizontal alignment. So we'll need paper in there. And if we give the printer a minute, we'll end up with a page that looks something like this. And what we're doing is on each of these numbered lines, we're looking for the block that has either no lines or the least amount of lines within it. Now, as we can see, I would say -1 is the correct one for us. So if we take a look at the screen, set to 2 currently. So take that down to -1, proceed to line 2, take a look at line 2, and I would say it's this one here with all zeros. So we adjust that to 0, proceed to 3, and we just continue with that. And once we get to the 5th line, it's a little bit different. We're looking at this pattern here, and which of these vertical lines has the smallest gap where the lines meet. As you can see, it's quite extreme on the right hand side there. And I would say for us, it's the -4 over here. It's debatable which one it is. So we're going to take that down to -4. Press OK. And it's the same for the 6th entry. And on mine, it's pretty hard to see, but I think 00 is the one. And we're done. So let's take a look at the horizontal alignment. Again, we need some paper in there. So we'll give the printer a minute. And what we have here is a pretty different test. And what we're looking for is the one with no lines in the center, as it's actually 2 separate blocks, and we're looking for where they're just touching and not overlapping and getting a dark line in the middle, which you can hopefully see. And I'd say the one with the best result for us is result number 3. So enter that on the printer and we're done. It's a lot quicker than the first alignment option, and we'll see the results of our hard work next time we come to print. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.